Akiaria hindi ya mihang'o ino muthenya wa ira, gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui ni araugire urigitani uyu wa maitho uritabanagio o mwaka.
What is more important is that sight is life. If you lose your sight, a lot of your normal activities are challenged, whether it is education, whether it is work, even your socialization is also affected. But if there's proper treatment and early treatment, some of these things can be dealt with at an early stage.
Akiongerera ati ni makuongerera mashini cia guthondeka na maitho thibitari-ini ya Nakuru level 5.
Ultimately, we would want to have greater capacity to be able not just to treat one condition but all conditions. But as you know, the entire hospital is on an upgrade mode in all categories, so the eye unit also will get its due attention.
Kuringana na Ndagĩtarĩ Dashanaba King kuma rũhonge rwa Amrita, muoroto wao ni gukinyira andu aingi uria mangihota kahinda-ini ga thikũ 3 ciukite.
And what we try to do this time also is to come back after 3 months and provide reading glasses or long distance glasses if it's needed. So we complete. With the surgery, we remove the lens inside the eye, make it clear, put a proper one. But then, if they need help for reading, we also would like to come back and provide it.
Uria urugamirire ruhonge rwa kurigita maitho thibitari nene ya Nakuru augite ati mathina maingi ma maitho maria marigitaga ni njereri na mathina maumanite na utheri undu uria ucungagiririo ni murimo wa cukari na ukuru.
For the allergy, the triggers are environmental. We have dust. We have sometimes changes in weather patterns affecting these patients, and sometimes we also have sunlight triggering some of the allergies.
Aria magunikite na urigiti ucio ni mataririe gikeno kiao makiuga ati riu ni makuhota kuruta mawira mao ta urimi hatari na muhinga o wothe.
Wako nilikuja hapa jana nikapatiwa nafasi ya kuangalia macho, nikafurahia hiyo sana. Leo saa hii mimi naona
jicho moja halikuwa linaona kabisa hili. Kwa hivyo sasa wakati nimepatiwa sasa nimeanza kuona, lakini ameniambia bado itaendelea kuona nikitumia hii dawa.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Ngure wa Kang'ara.